All right, so we have a bunch of wood here. I wonder what they're going to be making with this. All right, so it looks like they are drilling a hole into the top. Tying them in a bundle with some twine. Oh, they must be making a vase. Wow. Oh, this is such a cool idea. I love the natural element. Bringing the outside into the indoors. Very cool design. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So moving on to the next one, so they are using a bunch of contact paper. Oh, that is not contact paper on the bottom. I'm not sure what kind of material that is, but it looks like she's making a home sign. Wow, that looks really good. And that's a nice, pretty simple DIY project. Nothing too complicated there. Now, this to me looks like they either have hair scrunchies or rubber bands. I can't tell what they're using exactly, but it looks like they might be making flowers. Adding some pearls. Oh yeah, these are definitely flowers. Oh yeah, maybe that is a hair scrunchie. Alright, I guess it was a ring. Alright, so moving on here. More cardboard. Looks like they have an old pizza box that they're using. Contact paper. So for that other home sign DIY, the top portion was the wooden contact paper, but for the bottom, I'm not quite sure what they used. If anyone knows, please, let us know in the comments, but very cool project. This person might be making a sign as well. So they're going in with the popsicle sticks. Oh, you know what? They might actually be making a shelf. We've seen a lot of shelves being made out of popsicle sticks. Or maybe this could double as like a table tray too, I think. Oh yeah, definitely a cute little shelf. Oh, I like the little wooden contact paper in the background. That's cute. And then we have flowers made out of toilet paper. Okay. I don't think I've ever seen that before. This looks like a cute little project you can do with your kids. Looks like they used 2-ply for this. But seriously though, these flowers do look good. Oh, and then they got paper around, the brown paper around. That's cool. Right, and we have an old jar here. Some type of floral paper. It looks like the same kind of paper that was used previously for that home decor design. It's like, because to me it kind of looks like cloth. Oh, are they making a lampshade? Wow, that's cute. Very nice. Kind of gives me like grandma vibes though, I'm not gonna lie. What is this? A piece of wood? I have no idea what this is. Well, definitely not a piece of wood, but oh, maybe they're making a bird feeder. Okay, so I see a bunch of succulents. So I guess they just planted them. Kind of confused about what's going on here. But you know what? I'm not much of a gardener, so I'm not really sure what I'm looking at here. I thought maybe it was like a bird feeder or something. I don't know what. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.